I hadn't seen my coworker in about 2 months, and he came into my office today and he showed me what happened to his hand. He got bit by a cottonmouth, and he said this thing hurt. He said it cost him about $300,000. He had to get 5 bags of anti-venom, which the anti-venom is $40,000 a bag, and it's about 16 ounces in each bag, plus the ride to the hospital and the ambulance, plus the stay. So you're looking at close to $300,000. So I'm gonna let him tell you a little bit about it and show you his hand. Damn. What kind of snake was it again?
Cottonmouth.
That's about what, a month ago.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and that's straight I can get it right there.
That's straight as you can get.
Yeah, my finger's dead right there.
Shit.
That one, I mean, that's as far as I can get him right there.
So that's about a $300,000 bill, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Shit, I ain't getting it. I'm finna watch everything, eh? And